Hi everyone, I'm Steven, and today I'm using cardboard to make the diamond axe from Minecraft. Let's jump right into it. To make this diamond axe, you're going to need corrugated cardboard, a paintbrush, masking tape, black paint, glue, scissors, a utility knife, and a handy dandy template. The first page of that template is just an outline of the axe. I recommend to just glue this page directly onto a stack of corrugated cardboard. But alternatively, you could cut it out, trace it onto the cardboard, and then cut out the cardboard. I show both options in the video, but it's easiest just to glue it on and then cut out the shape of the axe. Tracing takes much longer. So I glued the page onto a stack of 3 sheets of corrugated cardboard that I glued together off camera. When the glue was completely dry, I used a utility knife to cut out the axe. And once it's cut out, you're going to want to cover up all these open sides with masking tape. So take a piece of tape and place it along the edges. Take scissors and snip at all of the corners, then fold those corners down flat. If there are any folds that are sticking out, feel free to just use your scissors and snip off any extra. After that, just take your black paint and paint along all the edges and up the sides a little bit. Let that paint dry and then cut out the Minecraft diamond axe from the template. Be careful and keep your edges nice and sharp. To glue it onto the cardboard, if you use white glue, you want to make sure that your glue isn't wet and goopy. Just a very thin layer of glue is all you need. If it's too wet, the printer ink is going to discolor on you and it's going to look all messy. You could totally just use a glue stick. I didn't have one handy, so that's why I used white glue, but a glue stick works too. Anyway, I glued down one side and let it dry completely before flipping it over to glue down the other side. And you're done! 5 seconds until the glamour shots.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So there you have it, the diamond axe from Minecraft made from cardboard. I love it, and I honestly never get tired of making any of the Minecraft weapons. Hopefully I'll make all of them one day. But as always, the template and the written directions are linked below in case you want to make one for yourself. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this one. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye bye!